Hello everyone, this is Sada Javeria. In this video, we are going to discuss about principles in the business charter for sustainable production. Here we are going to discover the importance and objectives of sustainable production as well as the principles outlined in the business charter. The business charter for sustainable development provides a basic framework of reference for action by individual corporations and business organizations throughout the world. It has been recognized as a complement to the environmental management system. To this end, the ICC, the United Nations Environmental Programme, and the International Federation of Counseling Engineers have developed a kit to help enterprises integrate environmental management systems in the daily management practices, a step consistent with the objectives set out in this guide. The Business Charter has been published in over 20 languages, including all the official languages of the United Nations. Here is a definition of sustainable production. Sustainable production aims to minimize environmental impact, promote social responsibility, and achieve economic efficiency throughout the entire production process. The sustainable development involves meeting present needs without compromising future generations. Economic growth provides the conditions for environmental protection, and a balance with other human goals is necessary for sustainable growth. It is versatile, dynamic, and profitable businesses are vital for sustainable economic development. They provide the resources to address environmental challenges and contribute to solving them. Market economies driven by entrepreneurial initiatives play a crucial role in achieving this. Businesses believe that economic development and environmental protection should have a common goal, not a conflict. This applies to both present and future generations. The challenge of the 21st century is to make market forces work to protect and improve the environment. This can be achieved through the use standard like ISO 14000 and the judicious use of economic instruments within a harmonious regulatory framework. The challenge of achieving sustainable development was recognized by nations worldwide at the year of 1992 United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. In response, businesses, business leaders have launched initiatives within their own enterprises and through industry associatives and associations. To encourage more businesses to join this effort and improve their environment performance, the International Chamber of Commerce calls upon enterprises and their associations to adopt the following principles. These principles serve as a foundation for pursuing environmental improvement and publicly expressing support. Each business can develop individual programs to implement these principles. Considering the diversity of enterprises in terms of size and function, the objective is to encourage a wide range of enterprises in improving their environmental performance by implementing management practices, measuring progress, and reporting internally and externally. The principles are as follows. First one is minimize resource consumption. The implementation of strategies to optimize resource utilization, reduce waste generation, and enhance resource efficiency for a more sustainable production model. The next is reduce carbon footprint. We need to adopt clean energy sources, improve energy efficiency, and implement carbon offset initiatives to minimize greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. The next up we have is promote circular economy. We need to embrace the principles of the circular economy, such as product reuse, recycling, and resource recovery to minimize waste and maximize resource utilization. The next is corporate priority. They embed sustainability as a cover value and prioritize it in business decision making to drive long term environmental and social benefits. Next up is integrated management. We need to adopt an integrated management approach that considers sustainability throughout the entire supply chain from sourcing raw materials to the end of the life of products. The next is process of improvement. We need to continuously assess and improve production processes by settling targets, measuring performance, and implementing innovative solutions to enhance sustainability. Next is employee education. We need to provide training and education to employees, empowering them to contribute to sustainable production practices and fostering a culture of environmental responsibilities. Next is prior assessment. We need to conduct environmental impact assessments before implementing new projects or products, considering factors such as resource consumption, emission, and waste generation. Products and services. We need to design and develop products and services that align with the principles of sustainable production, meeting customer needs while minimizing environmental impact. Customer advice. We need to provide customers with guidance on sustainable product choice and inform them about the environmental benefits of choosing eco-friendly options. Next is facilities and operations. We prioritize the development, design, and operation of facilities and conduct activities with a focus on energy and materials efficiency, sustainable use of renewable resources, minimizing adverse environmental impact and waste generation, and ensuring safe and responsible disposal of residual waste. Next is research. We actively conduct or support research on the environmental impacts associated with raw materials, products, processes, emissions, and waste related to our enterprise. Our goal is to identify ways to minimize these impacts and promote sustainable practices. Next is precautionary approach. We are committed to modifying the manufacture, marketing, and use of products or services, as well as the conduct of activities based on scientific and technical understanding. This approach helps prevent serious or irreversible environmental degradation and support responsible practices. Next is sustainability principles. Our enterprise is committed to sustainable practices in all aspects of our operations and activities. Next is environmental research. We support research on the environmental impact associated with our enterprise, including raw materials, product processes, emissions, and waste. Our goal is to identify ways to minimize these impact and promote sustainable practices. Benefits of implementing the business cater are environmental benefits, economic benefits, and social benefits. The environmental benefits reduces resource consumption, minimize carbon footprints, and enhance ecological sustainability. The economic benefits are improved operational efficiency, cost savings through resource optimization, and access to green markets. Social benefits are enhanced brand reputation, increased stakeholder trust, and positive community impact. Conclusion and call to action is that by adopting the principles outlined in the Business Charter for Sustainable Production, businesses can contribute to more sustainable future while reaping the benefits of environmental, economic, and social process. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.